Sens 365 Web User Guide Video for Care Provider. Sens 365 Web helps CareSens Air users effectively monitor and manage their glucose levels. Go to sens365.com on any web browsers and click the Get Started button. When logged in, the screen will display group names and a list of sensor users in each group. A summary of user information and glucose data is listed. You have the option to drag a column to another location or remove unnecessary ones. You can also sort the data by ascending or descending orders. In the user profile, you can generate notes based on each user's feature. Dashboard can be useful for healthcare professionals in clinics and hospitals. When clicking on the Add button for a specific user, the user will be added to the dashboard. You can open the dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard button at the top. Groups can be created or deleted. Click on three dots to add a new group. The name of the group can be customized. A new sensor user can be added or be invited to the group. If you are adding a sensor user, you have to put in a sharing code received from the user. If you are inviting a sensor user, first check the group name and then send your sharing code to the user. You have the option to copy the code or send invitations directly. Once the user inputs the sharing code into the CareSens Air app or Sens 365 app, the connection will be completed. The sharing code of a care provider will remain unchanged unless renewed, and you can obtain a new sharing code as necessary. You can also invite another care provider to take care of the user groups together. When you click on a user name in the list, it will take you directly to the AGP report. AGP is a standardized glucose report composed of time in ranges, glucose metrics, ambulatory glucose profile, and daily glucose profiles. You can check the percentage of target glucose range with the TII graph and predict your A1C level with GMI. On the first overview page, the default setting includes time in ranges, average glucose, GMI, glucose variability, and more. Daily average glucose, insulin, or device information are also shown at the same time. In the upper row, you can adjust time periods in which you wish to view the data. There is also a customization menu, where you can adjust the layout to your liking by adding, deleting, or moving each block. On the comparison page, two graphs are shown based on users' selected time periods. It is easy to see the changes in glucose trends and improvement in your glucose management by comparing the two graphs. On the Patterns page, low, target, and high glucose ranges are marked on the graph within the selected time period. It helps you understand your glucose patterns by specifying a time period where low or high glucose levels occurs or some events that may cause glucose changes. Trends page shows your daily and weekly glucose trends. You can either see the up and downs of your glucose by each day or see all the daily trends in one weekly graph. Statistics page shows your glucose readings by days of the week and hours of the day. You can check the average glucose statistics daily and hourly within the selected time period. Events page shows you all the event logs recorded in the CareSens Air app in chronological order. On the Target Blood Sugar Range Setting menu, you can adjust the target blood sugar range and day or nighttime period to tailor management to the user's goals. For inquiries regarding the product, please contact the nearest authorized distributor or CareSens Air Customer Service Center.